All right, everybody, we wanted to give a special VW Life Volkswagen Harvest shout out to our just the most amazing carburetor builder in the whole world. His name's Tim at Volkzbitz, 2 Z's, don't forget that. Ladies and gentlemen, Tim has built for us a 28 PICT that we have in the Harvest Beetle, and it absolutely just runs like a top. So whatever you can do, you need a carburetor, go see Tim. Seriously, man, what he does is amazing. They're better than new. He takes original Solex carburetors, it doesn't matter, 28s, 30s, 34s, whatever you have. Tim can put it together, send it to him, and it'll come back. Look, you put it on and it runs. You don't have to mess with it. Look, I'm not going to talk bad about empty, but I'm going to. This is made in China stuff. Stay away from that stuff, man. Anyway, it probably costs a lot now with the tariffs, so stay away from it. Anyway, here's the deal. Send your carburetor to Tim. He will get you taken care of. We love Tim at Volkzbitz. Remember, that's 2 Z's. Tim at Volkzbitz. Tim, thank you, brother. We love you, man. Thanks.